Good morning, friends. This is your favorite YouTube channel, and today our chapter is going to be linear equations in two variables, which is a pair, obviously. The general form of a pair of linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the general form, and using this we can find out whether it has a unique solution, or it has infinitely many solutions, or it doesn't have any solution. For that, we are going to be taking the ratios of the coefficients of each of the terms and the constant. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines of these two linear equations intersect at a point, and that point is the solution. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines have unique solution, and this is called consistent. Since they have a solution, consistent with unique solution. Okay, now if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the lines will be coincident. So these have infinitely many solutions, as all the points they lie on are the same. So these are also consistent, as they have solutions, but they have infinitely many solutions. So these are consistent. Okay, now if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but is not equal to c1 by c2, then the lines will be parallel, and since they don't meet at any points, there is no solution for this. Hence, a pair of linear equations with no solution is called as inconsistent. So these are inconsistent. Alright, now we are going to take examples. So for the first, second and third. So now let's take the example for the first equation, example 1. So let's take 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 6y minus 11 is equal to 0. So a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 3, coefficients of x. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6, which is also equal to 1 by 2. Since a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, these two sets of pair of equations have unique solutions and are consistent. Okay, let's take the example for the second one, where all three are equal. So 4x minus 6y plus 10 and 8x minus 12y plus 20 obviously equal to 0. So in these two equations, a1 by a2 will be equal to 4 by 8, which is also equal to 1 by 2. If you take b1 by b2, this also will be equal to minus 6 by minus 12. Always you need to take the signs. So this will be equal to 1 by 2 again. And c1 by c2 will be equal to 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2. Since a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, also equal to c1 by c2, the lines are coincident and have infinitely many solutions. Now take example 3, where a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. So let's take it as 10x plus 21y minus 7 is equal to 0, and 5x, 6x plus, let's take it as 20x plus 42y minus 11 is equal to 0. A1 by A2 is equal to 10 by 20 is equal to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 21 by 42, which is also equal to 1 by 2. But C1 by C2 is equal to minus 7 by minus 11 is equal to 7 by 11. Since A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2, this implies that they are parallel, the lines are parallel, and they have no solution. Okay. Now we are going to see the methods of solving an equation. So let's, there are methods of solving linear equations. For this there are three methods. First is called the substitution method. Let's take the example of x plus y is equal to 10, 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. Okay. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. From first equation, if you transpose x to the other side, you get y is equal to 10 minus x. And this is the third equation. Substituting 3 in second equation. Always substitute the equation you get in the other equation. If you substitute in the same equation, you won't get any answer. So you get 2x plus 3 into 10 minus x is equal to 15. 2x plus 30 minus 3x is equal to 15, obviously. Get minus x is equal to minus 15, x is equal to 15. Substituting the x is equal to 15 in the first equation, you get 15 plus y is equal to 10, y is equal to minus 5. So this is how you solve using substitution method. Now let us look at the second one. Second step is elimination. Second way you can solve it. So let's take the equation 4x minus 3y is equal to 11 and x plus y is equal to 2. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now what you do is you multiply one of the equations so that the coefficients of one term become the same. Now since the sign of y in both the thing is opposite, if you just make the coefficient of y the same as in the first equation, and if you add it, y will get cancelled out and you will get the term of x. So this will multiply it by 3. So you get 4x minus 3y is equal to 11. 3 into x, 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. Now if you add the whole equation, this will get cancelled. You will get 7x, 11 plus 6 is 17. 7x is equal to 17, x is equal to 17 by 7. Substituting this value in the first equation, you get 4 into 17 by 7 minus 3y is equal to 11. Equal to 11. So this will be 7, 7, 4 are 28, 2, 7, 4, 68 by 7 minus 3y is equal to 11. Taking LCM, 68 minus 21y is equal to 77, as 7 goes the other side. Minus 21y is equal to 9, y is equal to minus 9 by 21, which is also equal to 3 by 7, minus 3 by 7. So x is equal to 17 by 7 and y is equal to minus 3 by 7. This is the second way you can solve it. The third way you can solve it is called cross multiplication. Okay, in this is a new thing. Most of you people would have already known the substitution and elimination. This, what you write is x, y, 1. So here it will be pause there. Okay, this is the cross multiplication method we use. So you just write x, y, 1, and then you write b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2, and b1, b2. So you can wait. So you can, the order is b, c, a, b. So you can remember it as b cab. And what you do is to find this thing is you get x by b1 into c2. So you get b1 into c2, arrowhead pointing towards c2, minus b2 into c1, arrowhead pointing to c1. b2 into c1 is equal to y by c1 into a2, arrowhead always pointing to the right, c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 is equal to 1 by a1 into b2 minus a2 b1. Let's take an example for this. Is equal to 7. Okay, so we have taken here, so just write x, y, 1, b1, 2, b2, 3, c1, 6, 7, a, b2 will be 3 and 4, sorry, 3 and 4, 6 and 7, a is 2 and 3, and again b, so it is 3 and 4. Now multiply. So get x by 3 into 7 is 21 minus 24 is equal to 1 by 6 3s are 18 minus this thing is equal to 1 by 8 minus 9. Correct. Now if you equate x by minus 3 is equal to 1 by minus 1, you get x is equal to minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 3. Get x is equal to 3. If you take y by 4 is equal to 1 by minus 1, you get y is equal to 4 by minus 1 is equal to minus 4. Hence, therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 4. This is cross multiplication method. Now, we are going to solve some word problems. And now we are going to continue with the reducible form. We're going to start with an example and I've written it down. 1 by 7x plus 1 by 6y is equal to 3. This is the first equation. And 1 by 2x minus 1 by 3y is equal to 5, the second equation. So what do we do in this case is, we take 1 by x equal to a and we take 1 by y is equal to b. So a by 7 plus b by 6 is equal to 3 becomes our third equation, and a by 2 minus b by 3 is equal to 5 becomes our fourth equation. Yeah, now when we solve this, take LCM and everything, we will get 6a plus 7b is equal to 42 into 3, 126, and this will be equal to 3a minus 2b is equal to 30. Now what we'll do is we'll use the elimination method for this. So what you get is, so we'll multiply this into 2, get 6a plus 7b is equal to 126. 6a minus 4b is equal to 60. Now we'll subtract this, so the sign changes, and this gets cancelled out. 11b is equal to 66 is what you get. B is equal to 6. Substituting b is equal to 6 in one of the things, you get 6a plus 42 is equal to 126. A is equal to 84 by 6, which is equal to 6 ones are 6, 2 is equal to 14. Now since we've taken A is equal to 1 by x, so x is equal to 1 by 14. Since B is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 6. That's it. Yeah, so that's it. And we're going to go further with the word problems. So the word problems, here I have an example. 37 pens and 53 pencils together cost rupees 320. So let the number of pencils be x, let the number of pens be y. Rather, instead of number we can take cost, since it's given in cost. So okay, so first you get 37 into x plus 53y is equal to 320. Because 37 pens and 53 pencils together is 320. Then while 53 pens and 37 pencils together cost rupees 400. 53 pens, so 53y plus 37x is equal to 400. Since the coefficients are interchanged, if you add these two you can reduce them. So if you add, let this be equation 1, equation 2, if you adding 1 plus 2 you get 53, 90x plus 90y is equal to 720. Now if you take 90 common from both, you get x plus y is equal to 8. So this will be our third equation. Now if you subtracting 1 from 2, so 2 minus 1, it will give you 16x minus 16y is equal to 80. X minus y is equal to 5. This is the fourth equation. Now we'll solving 3 and 4, y is equal to 8 minus x. Substituting 5 in 4, we get minus 8 minus of 8 minus x is equal to 5. X minus 8 plus x is equal to 5. 2x is equal to 13. X is equal to 6.5. Okay, so substituting x is equal to 6.5 in one of the equations, you get y is equal to x minus 6.5. Y is equal to 1.5. Y is equal to 1.5. So each pencil costs rupees 1.5 and each pen costs rupees 6.5. Thank you friends, and we'll see you in the next chapter.